In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wix account. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few important steps to keep in mind. So let's go through them together. Start by heading over to your account profile picture, located at the top of the Wix interface. Click on it and then choose Account Settings from the drop-down menu. While you're waiting for the page to load, don't worry if it takes a moment. This is a great time to ensure you've noted any important information from your account, like connected domains or subscriptions. It's always wise to have a backup or a record of this information somewhere safe, just in case you need it later on. Once you're inside the account settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you find the option that says Close Your Account. It's here that you'll find the instructions you need to follow before closing your account. The first step they recommend is removing any remaining sites by transferring them to trash. If your site has any premium plans or domains connected, it's essential to cancel or transfer those before proceeding. Remember, once your account is closed, you won't be able to log back in to make changes, so it's crucial to handle these aspects beforehand. If you're ready to close your account after taking care of these details, just click that Close Your Account button. Now you may notice Wix offers other adjustments here, like changing your email or password if you wish to keep your account but modify it. However, since we're focusing on deletion today, just follow along. Once you've chosen to delete your account, you'll have the option to share a reason for your decision if you'd like. Maybe you felt it was too expensive, or perhaps you found another platform better suited to your needs. It's your chance to provide feedback, which can be helpful for Wix to understand their users better. Next, you'll need to enter your password and confirm that you understand that closing your account will remove all your data. This is a crucial step, so double-check everything before proceeding. After you've entered all the necessary information and checked the confirmation box, the button to close your account will become active. When you click Close Account, your Wix account will be deleted, along with all associated data. Remember, if you decide to use Wix again in the future, you'll need to sign up with a new email or see if you can reuse your previous one if Wix allows it. That's how you can delete your account on Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more guides on managing your online accounts and digital tools.